In Cloud Account Provisioning, we showcase how internal provisioning events are received from internal systems and how provisioning policy determines how these accounts are pushed to one or more cloud platforms. The scenario starts where the daemon software listens for the internal batch provisioning event of users and receives those users, relays those both over to the target cloud provider platforms. Here, we're searching for Adam Clayton to make sure the account has been added in Google Apps. Secondarily, we look in Salesforce, refresh the screen, and again look for Adam Clayton, who has been added to the other target platform. In Federated Single Sign-On, we showcase an access control policy where the user must single sign-on from a trusted corporate PC enabled with Intel Identity Protection technology. Cloud Access 360 is integrated with Intel IPT to optionally restrict access from a tested client laptops only. Here, a user logs in the morning to his laptop, which provides a Windows authentication. Now the user enters his company portal and he clicks to do the daily business at Salesforce. When he does this, Cloud Access 360 intercepts and makes an enforcement decision to determine that this user is in fact logging in from a corporate-issued PC, and again, single sign-on, no credentials are required. In Cloud-to-Cloud SSO, a user's federated single sign-on is brokered via Cloud Access 360, which can reside on-premise in the enterprise. Here, a user in Salesforce uses his bookmark to sign on to another cloud provider, and Cloud Access 360 has brokered that federated single sign-on event, and no additional credentials are required. In mobile one-time password strong authentication, a secure document is retrieved by a user while in Google Apps. Cloud Access 360 calls out to Nordic Edge one-time password server, which delivers a one-time password to the user's mobile phone, which is entered in the website, retrieving the secured document. Here, Ted receives an email from his boss telling him he needs to retrieve a secure document. When Ted clicks on the link, he's prompted by Cloud Access 360 to enter in a one-time password, which is generated out of band by the smartphone app. The user retrieves the one-time password, enters it back onto the website, clicking Submit, and retrieving the secured document using a stepped-up, elevated second-factor one-time password authentication event. In Cloud Data Access via OAuth, calendar data is retrieved securely via the protocol and displayed in the corporate portal as a calendar widget. The user in the corporate portal clicks on Google Apps, and the OAuth protocol is initiated by Cloud Access 360 to retrieve the calendar data as a widget inside of the corporate portal securely. Here we show how to auto-synchronize account profile changes to the cloud. Here, a profile change is made and attributes are synced instantly across two cloud provider platforms. Here, an administrator in Active Directory changes Adam Clayton's profile so that his department attribute changes to marketing. Now, Cloud Access 360 auto-syncs the identity profile with the attribute change to Salesforce. This can be seen and verified in the existing account for Adam Clayton, where he is now a marketing user. Here we show deprovisioning across cloud provider apps. Here, the user Adam Clayton is deleted in his enterprise directory, and this deprovisioning event is picked up by Cloud Access 360, which deletes the account from one or more cloud applications. Here, we see Adam Clayton, as we refresh the browser in Salesforce, is no longer an active user and has been disabled. Here, we show how central visibility is obtained from the Central Cloud Access 360 admin console for user activity and alerts, and how that can be pushed to audit repositories or even social media or other kinds of platforms. In central visibility across clouds, we show the central admin console of Cloud Access 360 and how that shows insight into user activity and events to be pushed to audit repositories or even pushed to other applications such as social media. Here in the Cloud Access 360 console, you can see various single sign-on events and how these events are taking place across different cloud provider platforms. As we look into the monitoring and alert console, you can see visibility into a number of events, and also for auditing, how the event data can be filtered to show different activities for different types of events. Here we show how Cloud Access 360 monitoring alerts for single sign-on events can be pushed as activity feeds for other applications. In this case, the social media application context is used by collaborating administrators to monitor user activity and user events inside of this tool.